Hello everyone. So let us start talking about Simpson 3/8 rule. Okay. The formula of Simpson 3/8 rule is very simple, which is I equal to b minus a x0 x1 Okay. So one thing that you need to understand here is for Simpson 3/8 rule, the value of n is 3 by default. Okay. And before we proceed further, we know that we are going to need step size, formula which is b minus a divided by n. N is 3 by default, so this is going to be 4 plus 2 minus of minus 2 plus becomes plus 2, and 3 which comes out to be 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, so let us again start with this table. We know x0 is minus 2, okay. x1 is 0, x2 is 31, I'm sorry, not 31, 2, xn which is also x3 is equal to 4. Okay, so just go on adding h right from x0. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 plus h, that is 2, is 2, 2 plus h is 4. Just once we reach 4, you have to stop because the upper limit is 4. Okay, you have to start from minus 2 and you have to stop at 4. And again, if you substitute these values of x1, x2, x0, x1, x2 in fx0, fx, you get these values, which is minus 29, 1, 31, 1, 7, 8, 9. So once you substitute these values in this equation, value of x0, fx1, fx2, fx3, you get the value of I as 1392. Okay, and we know that the analytical value is how much? How much is the analytical value? Analytical value is 1104, and this is the value that we have got using Simpson 3/8 rule. So when you talk about percentage error, which comes out to be 26%. So you can see here how the percentage error has reduced. So for single application, your trapezoidal rule, the percentage for trapezoidal rule, the percentage error was 378. Then for single application, Simpson 1/3 rule, it was 57.8 something, and now for single application for Simpson 3/8 rule is 26%. So as I told you that Simpson 3/8 rule is more accurate than 1/3 and trapezoidal rule. And one more interesting thing that you should understand, you should note here is whenever there are odd number of segments, okay, we are going to use Simpson 3/8 rule. Okay, for even segments we are going to use 1/3 or trapezoidal, always a choice 1/3 is a better choice when you are dealing with even segments, and when you talk about odd segments, we are always going to use Simpson 3 rule. Okay. So in the next lecture, we are going to solve a problem where we'll see how you are going to find out integration from the given data points, and the segment length is going to be unequal. Okay. So in that situation, you are going to use combination of trapezoidal, Simpson 1/3 rule, and Simpson 3/8 rule.